Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium Schools Standard 7 Subject General Science Lesson number 11 Cell Structure and Microorganism and video number 21. In this lesson we have to discuss what is meant by cell, the scientist who discover the cells with the help of microorganism and various instruments to detect the cells, then cell size and plant cell and animal cells and their organs. So first one, cell. Cell is a fundamental structural and functional unit of the living organism. Cells, then tissues, organs and organ system and make the body. So cells is the basic of the structure. Cells, tissues, organ system and organisms, cells from the basic of the structure and function of all living organism. Then great scientist 1665 Robert Hooke observed the thin section of the cork under the microscope. In this section he saw hexagonal compartment like those of beehive. He named this compartment cells and he derived term from Latin word cella means small room. In 1838 two scientists M.J. Sheldon and Schwann formulated theory about cellular structure, stated that all living organisms are made up of cells and cell is a fundamental component of living organism, and in 1885 Rudolph and Virchow stated that all cells are formed from pre-existing cells. With the help of compound microscope we can detect and observe the cells. So 1673 Anton van Leeuwenhoek assembled various lenses to construct microscope. He was first to observe live bacteria and protozoa cells under microscope. Cells are extremely minute in size. We cannot see cells with naked eyes. Micrometer and nanometer are this unit of the measuring their size. The compound microscope is used for observing cell, an object on glass slide magnified many times by the lenses of the microscope. Compound microscope consists of eyepiece, various knobs, various objective lenses, stage and bases. So we can observe one onion peel with the help of microscope. Take onion peel and observe, take on the slide and put a drop of water or iodine or eosine and observe under the microscope. We see that various compartment type nucleus with the center nucleus present. Then cell size. There are various types of and shape of the cells. They are circular, rod shape, columnar, spiral, oval and rectangular. Red blood cells are in oval shape or rounded shape. Fat cell and egg cell are rounded. Amoeba is irregular and Spirogyra cell is spiral. So each cell contains various components for carrying out life process of the living organism. These components are called as cell organelles. These organelles are studied in detail with the help of electron microscope, which can be magnify image up to 2 billion times their actual size. Then we study the plant cell and animal cell with the help of microorganism and various organs observed in the microscope. When we put the plant cell and animal cell with the help of slide. So cells seen under the electron microscope, cell wall is present in plant cell, various organs are present. The cell wall is the outermost covering of the cell present in plant cell. Plasma membrane, also called cell membrane, is kind of covering. It is extremely delicate and flexible. Cytoplasm is a liquid part of the cell and cell organelles are mainly nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, mitochondria, vacuoles and plastid. So nucleus is the outermost part of the organelle of the cell. There is a porous double membrane around it. The nucleus control all the function of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is sprawling net-like organelle. Its function is to make necessary changes in protein produced by the ribosomes and send them to the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are made up of several flat sacs. Their function is to proper distribution of the protein. Mitochondria and plastid are the organelle with double outer covering. As mitochondria produce energy, they are called as powerhouse of the cell. The chloroplast in the plant cells carry out function of photosynthesis. Vacuoles help to throw out the waste substance of the cell. So vacuoles in the animal cells are small, whereas only one large vacuoles in plant cells. So please like, subscribe. Thanks.